Good afternoon, Rutgers. My name is Paul Beeman here with your Sunday, November 16th Weather Watcher forecast. If I zoom out, you can see what is causing this front. You see the Midwest had snow that moved south into northern Texas and this area, and the Gulf of Mexico brought up that moisture that we saw yesterday. And as I hit play, you can see they smash together and move and make this nice system moving right into our area. As for the rest of the day, the showers this morning are tapering off into the afternoon. It's going to be frigid tonight, and it's going to be a clear start to the week. Snow has been occupying basically the entire north half of Jersey for the last 3 hours, and this mixed line is slowly moving up through the southern tip, just reaching Atlantic City in the last 3 hours. Good afternoon, Rutgers. At least it's good if you like snow. Currently, I'm getting hit right in the face with the high wind and the snowfall right now. And if you're outside right now, personally, I would recommend against it. But you can definitely feel the wind chill, the cold temperatures, and the snow barreling down on you. Good morning, Rutgers. My name is Paul Beeman. I'm here with your Monday, February 23rd Weather Watcher forecast. Now, I know you're probably tired of that frozen precip and cold temperatures. I have good news. We can get rid of one of them this week. The cold temperatures will make a return, but the frozen precip is nowhere in sight, which is great. So no snow, no freezing rain. We're just going to be a nice, partly sunny week, and it'll be nice. But for today, morning low 24, average 25 for the low. So we're just right on average for this time of the year. Sadly, we will not be making that 44 high for today. I'll get into that in a second, but we're nowhere near those records for now anyway. 0 for the low and 71 for the high. We might be seeing some negative temperatures tomorrow night, so that will be close to a record, and we'll keep an eye on that for tomorrow. But as for today, clouds decreasing throughout the day and then clear throughout the week. Cold temperatures making a devastating return tonight, and I'll get to that when we hit the 7-day. But for now, clear all around the radar. The last 3 hours, the only thing we really can see is some snow burning off in Pennsylvania, but nothing really affecting our area for today. Highs for today, we're 30, so we're roughly around where the rest of the area is, 30 in Millville and Wildwood as well. Camden at the high point at 31, and Sussex with the low point up north at 16, but not the low point in the northeast quadrant, because as you can see, Mount Pocono at 10 and Ithaca at 5, Oneonta slightly being above that at 7. And then it warms up if you get closer to the shore with 29s in Dover, 31 in Philadelphia, 21 in New York City, and 17 Hartford, and all the way up there, all the way up in the north is Boston. So nothing terribly cold, but it definitely is a little bit colder on the inside. But if I look at the futurecast while I'm talking, you can see that it's relatively clear. Nothing except a little bit of cloud cover making its way in. So nothing to worry about, even if there is some snow to the north of us. But as we go to the day planner for today, like I said, no precip on the agenda for today. But at noon, it will be mostly cloudy, and then we'll be clearing out throughout the day, going to partly cloudy and then clearing out with 20 degrees, 17, and 14 degrees respectively. Now, as I go to the look ahead for today, like I said, we're not hitting that 44 average, but is 30 degrees, decreasing clouds, northwest winds at 16 miles an hour. And as for tonight, like I said, devastating return to the cold temperatures. -4 degrees, northwest winds at 6 to 14, so that wind chill is going to get us down possibly to -15 around that area. It's going to feel horrible. I don't recommend being outside at all tonight, and mostly clear conditions, so no precip to go along with that to be frozen at any time. Now I will move out of the way so you can see the rest of the week, but there's nothing worth mentioning. Decreasing clouds for today, 30 degrees, and then a spike in temperature at 37 on Wednesday. Mostly cloudy for the entire week, although there's another temperature spike up to 32, so we'll get to freezing again on Saturday. So we're going to have some warmer temperatures, but the lows are pretty crippling. Like I said, -4. Then we have a 6 and a 7 in the later half of the week. So it's nothing too warm, but at least there's no rain or snow